Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how I make this shawarma. It's a kind of kebab as well, right? Yes. So these are the spices I'm going to be using. Chicken thighs, but the one that don't have the skin on it. So skinless chicken thighs, I think that is what I will say. Then I'm going to be using 1 cup of yogurt. So, and other spices, I'm going to list the spices that I'm using at the description. You can use less spices if you want. So here I'm adding some ginger powder, some rosemary, and thyme. I'm adding each of them like a teaspoon of each of them. Now I'm adding a dry onion. Then I'm adding turmeric here. Yes, I'm using turmeric. So this is all spices, all purpose spices I'm adding right now. And this is dried garlic. You can use fresh one. Then lastly, but not the least, it's not actually the lastly. So I'm adding black pepper now, salt, and yeah. Then I'm going to go ahead to mix them all up together. I'm also going to be adding some paprika and a little bit of curry. You need them to, if you want that Arabic kebab, you need to get those spices into the chicken to marinate them very well. So here I'm adding the paprika into the chicken, and now I'm going to be adding a little bit of curry as well. You can skip the curry if you add enough turmeric. I didn't want turmeric to be too much because I remember the last time I did it, turmeric was too much and the whole house was really smelling. So after you marinating them, cover them with your cling film, and the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to send them into the refrigerator and allow them to stay there for minimum 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I'm going to take them out to proceed to the next step. Yeah, so the second one, what you do next after 2 hours, just bring out your grilled pan, add a little bit of vegetable or extra virgin of olive oil. I'm actually using olive oil. So this is the chicken. They stayed over 2 hours in the fridge. So I'm adding them over the hot pan. Make sure that the pan is hot, okay? So like I was saying, make sure that the pan is hot. So now I added them. As you can see, the pan is very hot, and I'm going to allow them to cook both sides until they are cooked. I'm not just cooking them for like 2 or 3 minutes. I need to cook them very well because I'm not going to be using oven, but you can use oven to grill them, okay? So they are cooking. As you can see, they are becoming brown, and they've not cooked to the stage I want them to be. So the next thing I'm going to cut them open. Remember, I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast, but I find chicken breast it's a bit dry, but this is very soft. This chicken thighs, if you use it, try using it if you haven't tried it before. So I'm cutting them open to make sure that I cook them evenly, like I cook them very, very well. I didn't want to use half done chicken for this. So now they are well cooked, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to place them over the plate. Use a chopping board. So now I'm deboning them. I'm just removing the flesh from the bone, and that is what I'm doing here. So because I still want to make sure that the chicken is very, very cooked, because my son is going to have this. So I added them on a frying pan without oil. I just added the chicken because there is oil already on the chicken. So I'm just going to allow them to stay on the heat for a minute, just a minute. Then I took them out of the heat. And this is the bread that I'm using. So I placed the bread to stay over the pan for a minute, like the instructions said. So after a minute is when I start adding the chicken. Then I'm going to add the ketchup and the mayonnaise over the chicken. You can just, if you want to add only one time ketchup and the mayonnaise, or depends on how you like it, you can add it on top of the salad or the tomatoes, but I like to add them on the chicken, then place the salad and the tomatoes and also add them there, because I love my kebab to be very, very creamy, but you can reduce the creamy texture. So just fold them and yeah, take them out of the pan. I overfilled this one. This is where that one dropped out. So I'm going to do the same thing to the second bread, and yeah, that is basically it. If you haven't tried this recipe of the chicken, try it. You will love it. It's so soft. It's very, very soft and delicious, and the pack of the spices was so yummy. So give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. This is very yummy, so make sure you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.